In addition to simply using the 50 threshold, search for confluence when price contacts the boundaries of Bollinger Bands with reversal candle formations that have quick confirmation. Unlike this one where there's immediate negation of the reversal candle pattern, and Chande Momentum Oscillator values are unable to contact 50. When strong trends see price hug the boundaries of Bollinger Bands, reversals can commonly take place close to, but not necessarily directly on or outside the boundaries. But it can still be common to see reversal candle patterns that have quick confirmation and Chande Momentum Oscillator values close to or above 50. Unsurprisingly, multiple elements of confluence tend to form at these historically significant price ranges, which adds to the list of bearish conditions at this current time. However, short-term developments should still be watched closely, especially since price has failed to quickly drive lower. And even though there's no exceedingly high bullish volume, there's still a minor bullish continuation underway, which has the bullish momentum promptly reflected with the Chande Momentum Oscillator steeply increasing. This trend continuation is turning out to be short-lived, with bearish confluence characteristics we discussed earlier quickly emerging to place pressure back on the 86 level, which has a higher chance of being breached now since Chande Momentum Oscillator values are holding under zero. As this decline for price and the indicator are maintained, the downtrend is decisively confirmed. Now we can see this list of confluence characteristics during the formation of minor bullish retracements as steady selling continues. Then, as selling diminishes, we can see how even though there's consistent confluence, it's not realistic to expect a major reversal to immediately form all the time, though it is quite reasonable to expect decreasing momentum of the downtrend, especially in the short term. And on the way up, it's a similar story except in the reverse.